So you got the portable air compressor, and in this video I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your purchase and then a quick demo of me using it on my car. My car needs its tires pumped up a little bit, so I'll show you how this works. But here's going to be what you get. So you get the compressor itself, and it's basically the size of like a cell phone. It's pretty small. You're going to get the adapter, and this is the one that you're going to use on your car. But if you do want to use it on, let's say, your bicycle, pump up a football or whatever, they do give you a bunch of different tips here. So you should be able to use it however you need to use it. This is going to be what the charging cord looks like, similar to a cell phone. Very easy, plug it into any power bank. Then you're going to get a carrying case for everything. So I'm going to go outside and hook this up to my car, and I'll show you how it works. So as you can see here, my back tire is low. They actually all should be 36. I'm going to do every single tire. But we'll start with the back tire, and then we'll move on from there. So here's how it works. You just got to screw in the nozzle to the top there. Very easy. What you want to do is connect it to your air pump there, and once you get that on, you're going to put the lever down. And you're going to hold the power button in for 3 seconds. It's kind of sunny, but a power on here, and this needs to be to 260. That's what I have it set to, and that'll be about 36 psi. So we'll get this going. Okay, and we're coming up to the 2.6 reading. So once we get that, we can go check the air pressure in the car. All right, back in the car. You can see it went right to the 36 psi. So worked great. Took about a minute or two to fill up all the way, but way easier than trying to find a gas station or anything like that. I gotta go do all my tires now, but super convenient. Just what I needed. Like I said, I cannot find these at the gas station when I'm trying to pump it up myself. So having just a little one like this at home that I can do myself makes life just a whole lot easier. So super happy with this. 2 thumbs up.